you know whether or not to believe the news? Donald Trump, the US president, is known for talking about fake news. When I read the Ascension Mysteries book by David Wilcock, it was so interesting to learn about the secret space program and the pictures of the moon, some of which were photoshopped, and how art imitates life. According to Wilcock and his insider friends, the powers that be will actually release real information, like fantastical information, to movies, comic books, other types of books. And when the real truth gets revealed by some whistleblower, the mass populace will believe they just got it from the movies. It's not real. Brilliant, I'd say. Now, on the other hand, is it possible that these artists are actually just intuiting the information that's in the field, the source field? I mean, once we have an idea, it deposits in the quantum realm, so to speak, and anyone can tap into it. For example, I've been talking about human superpowers, and recently, Caroline Corey just released her movie called Superhuman. Dave Asprey the Bulletproof guy, has a book called Superhuman. Then there's the book Get Superpowered, a book to help get kids out of anxiety that's also being released recently. And so here's the thing though. There's an easy way for you to be able to tell whether watching or listening to a particular newsreel or video or link, an article is good for you. And that's what I want to help you with today. You can use your superpowers of clairsentience, your ability to feel. So now if you're new to my superpowers work, you may have to experiment a little bit. For example, you could start reading an article or listening to a news story or a link. What I want you to do is just stop part way, tune into your body, feel it. How is it feeling? Physically and emotionally. Now, if you feel a sense of expansion, a sense of groundedness, a sense of empowerment, peacefulness, then hey, I advise you to keep going, keep reading. Now that's your body giving you an intuitive yes to what you're reading. On the other hand, if you start feeling tight, heavy, or your mood takes a nosedive, so you feel anxious, depressed, fearful instead of calm and empowered, then I'd say, take a break. It's probably not for your highest and greatest good to read that. Now, if and when you can recenter yourself fully and quickly, not get sucked into the drama words that people use to manipulate you, especially in the news, then you can have fun playing with your choices. I'm not telling you absolutely you shouldn't watch the news or this link or anything like that. But if you feel empowered, even if the news is not 100% or this video is not 100% true, empowered is much better than feeling disempowered. So listen to your body. It will tell you. Now, in my upcoming Divine Design training, Becoming Resilient Body, Mind, and Spirit, I'll be teaching you how to use the various Topocan healing scoring systems to further help you discern. Now, it's super handy for me, especially when folks are sending me all sorts of links to look at. Is this worth watching? Is this worth watching? Should I watch this? Is this good? Is this real? Is this true? All I have to do is to score it. And whether that's a divine truth score or divine light score, it's helpful for me to know whether to invest my time in even looking at it. I don't even have to look at the link. I just do a score. So if you missed my Infection Resilience Masterclass yesterday on Saturday, it's recorded and available at KarenKan.com/IR Masterclass. I give you my formula, how I check and direct healing for all your 3 immune systems. So there's all sorts of ways that you can discern. And I'd love to share with you some of mine so you can feel more empowered, so you can feel more calm and more peaceful. Lots of love. Until next time. Hope this is helpful, and if so, please share it.